Hello, technical analysis fans. This is Coach Victor here at Safehouse, and today I want to cover 5 things that you need to get started as a beginner in trading. Let's get into it. First one would be your actual setup. What kind of an interface do you use to view the information from the markets? And the recommendation would be a PC with at least 2 screens. They don't have to be huge, but if they're very small screens, it's going to be difficult for you to see numbers on the charts like the one you can see here from Apple. So the recommendation is a PC. Why? Because it's compatible with most programs out there that you are going to use for trading, and 2 screens will allow you to view several things at the same time, which is also a necessity in most situations. Number 2, your technical analysis platform. The clear recommendation here is TradingView, as you can see on the screen. Here I have the Apple stock and I have some technical analysis tools on it, such as the parallel channel here. And I am also using a Fibonacci retracement from this side to this low to judge how far the move down has been reversed. In this case, 78.6%. These are, of course, the details that you get into over time about technical analysis. And you also have on the right side some information about the stock itself and some metrics that can also be useful for your own analysis. Here you will be able to view pretty much any chart on the planet on any asset, which is very important to be able to apply your technical analysis tools for your possible trade setups. Number 3 is a broker. You will need a broker account to be able to execute your trades on exchanges, for example, the New York Stock Exchange. So you will need to find a broker that fits your region geographically so that all of the legal stuff is correct and without any issues. One that allows you to do your taxes easily and not in a very complicated way. So nice tax reporting features are important. And also one that is intuitive for you, that you feel comfortable with a demo account, very important, so that you can actually test it out before risking any capital with it. And a very important point also is execution of your trades. If you put in a stop loss, does it actually get executed there, or do you get massive slippage overnight or over the weekend and you take a much bigger loss than you expected? This is not acceptable. If you have a broker that is having issues with this, or when you are entering or exiting positions actually offers you a price that is very different from what you are seeing on the screen, then the spread is not good. That is also something that is going to always work against you. In this case, I would recommend that you keep searching for a broker that actually executes the orders as you would like them to. So this can also take a while. And my recommendation is always use demo accounts like the one I am showing on Bybit here. This is an exchange for cryptocurrency. So you don't trade the legacy markets here. You can trade stuff like Bitcoin. What else do I have here? Ethereum, DOT, and altcoins. Stuff like that. So here you can take long positions, or as I have on the screen now, they happen to be short positions on this demo account. This is just paper trading. And the nice thing about this account is that I can use it to test different strategies without any risk whatsoever to my real capital. That would also be my recommendation. Whichever exchange or broker that you pick, test it out first with a demo account. Number 4 is a solid structured education. What I mean by that is that instead of watching videos randomly and trying to put all the pieces together yourself, find a course that suits you, where you can walk through the very first steps as a beginner in trading, and then over time evolve with more complex tools and strategies so that you can develop a trading system that is personalized, individualized, and that works specifically for you for many years to come. This is something that we offer at Safehouse Vanguard. Here you will find courses to take your first steps and to then start getting into more advanced technical analysis techniques so that you can build a trading system around them that fits your personality and your trading style and availability. Finally, number 5, money. You will need spare capital or disposable income to actually be able to invest in your trading education. It's gonna be a long process that will take many hours of work. It's not an easy path, and like any skill in life that is worth learning, it will take effort. And just like you pay for courses for any other skill that you want to learn, you will also need money to be able to afford those courses. And if at some point you have done thorough testing on demo accounts, as previously already recommended, then perhaps you are ready to start investing some of your capital or putting some of your capital into possible trade setups. Before you reach that stage, however, you do need to have some money saved up to be able to do this in a peaceful or centered manner and not under pressure. This is extremely, extremely important. If this is not the case for you right now, then I would recommend that you rather try to raise funds until you can reach a stage where you can say, okay, this I can afford to invest without putting my livelihood at risk. All right, let's summarize the 5 things really fast then. First, you will need a proper trade setup so you can see the information that is necessary. Number 2, you will need a proper technical analysis platform to be able to use all the tools available. Number 3, you will need a broker or exchange account to be able to access these markets. Number 4, very important, a structured education such as the Safehouse Vanguard, so that you can take your first steps in an organized manner and build upon that over time. Number 5, you will need spare capital that is not essential for your lifestyle right now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Elevate your mastery in trading and discover what you're capable of in the markets. Join the Safehouse Vanguard today.